Guys, it's me, Nightclaw again, and this is another video about questions. So you can maybe pause and read them. But the one thing I know is that I am going to pause and make this smaller. And okay, so that's the fourth question. That's the first question. Wait, no, the first question is number 8. Can I say hi to the world too late? Hi, people. And let's delete that again. He is telling us to give him stuff. Wait, what? No, I am not telling you to give me stuff. I was telling you to give me questions. Big difference. How do I get rare? Well, that's quite an easy question. If you tell me you're already rare, like your picture looks rare. Well, you get rare by training for that item you really want. Okay, so that's your answer. Can I be in your show? Well, well, looks like you can because I am recording. Are you recording? Yes. That's an easy shoot, whatever. That's an easy question. Sure. Why do woodpeckers peck on trees? Oh. They do it because wood tastes. What's the other? Sorry, I had to make it smaller. Because it tastes like. Because woody. Because trees taste like chocolate. Okay, making it smart. Never mind. Because they do it because trees taste like chocolate to them. Yes, I don't know that. Maybe it said go to my dad. Oh, whatever. So delete that. Delete that. Have you ever got a rare bow before? Yes. In fact, it is true. I used to have 9. I'll just say 8. I'm here already, so what do you want? Sorry about this. So, have you ever got a rare bow before? Yes, I already answered that question. Last questions. Why are you a snow leopard? Duh. I am one because snow Okay. Done. Okay, bye guys.